What if your program could make decisions on its own? That's where if statements come in. Hi, I'm Williams. In this lesson, we learned how to control the flow of your Python program with if statements. Basic statement, age equals to 18, if age greater than equals to 18. Print, you are an adult. If else age equals to 16, if age greater than equals to 18, print, you are an adult. Else, print, you are a minor. Elif else statement. Marks is 75 if Marks is greater than or equal to 80. Print, X like Elif Marks is greater than or equal to 50. Print, pass else, print fail. Essentially, this challenge is write a program that asks for a number and checks if it's positive, negative, or zero. Great job. Next, we'll learn loops, how to repeat actions without writing code again and again.